Hey everyone, so I hope you guys are doing fine. And today I'm not here to talk about a video, like talk about some concerns, or neither am I here to talk about the submissions that we get every time or every week. Today I am here to tell you guys that I have decided something, and I decided that instead of only talking about certain concerns and instead of only focusing on submissions, I decided to do something like a diary, like a video diary kind of thing. Now, the reason behind it is where did my teddy bear go? I'm way less anxious when I have my teddy bear. No, mind. Ah, hey! Oh, sorry. Hey! We are here. Okay, so where was I? Yes, I was telling you the new idea that I came up with, and I told you that it's about video diary kind of thing. Right. So the reason behind it is that I get new messages every day of people telling me about how important this channel is to them, and they tell me how they appreciate the efforts that I'm trying to put in, and that makes me feel very very happy and encouraged and motivated and etc etc all the good things. So firstly, thank you so much for you for supporting me so much. I mean, it doesn't matter if it doesn't matter if not, a lot of people don't know me, and it doesn't matter that I'm not an influencer. I don't want to be an influencer, by the way, just saying. But the whole point is, even if one or two people are uh, you know getting some positivity out of my videos, that's more than enough for me. So the reason that I decided to start the video diaries is that every day I learn so many things. Like, I have so many instances to share with people, and if I keep, like, the whole video thing that I make, it's not that frequent, and the reason behind it is that I get very anxious doing those things. So I thought that if I start the video diaries, firstly, since I'll be more frequent and more in touch with you guys, I'll start feeling, less anxious and more comfortable. Secondly, I won't forget the new things that I learn every day. So, for two primary reasons. Now, today is apparently diary one day one. And I have a very nice story to share, but I don't know how this shit is gonna look on YouTube because, firstly, my hands are hurting and I have no idea how to hold the camera in hand like this. Secondly, there's no second, yeah. Firstly, I'm very anxious. Secondly, also I'm very anxious. So that's for that. So, people, I'll share the story, and I hope this video diary thing gets as much appreciation and acceptance from you guys as the rest of the videos have gotten. So, yeah. Also, when I start talking, like when I start recording the videos, all of a sudden I feel like I've forgotten all my knowledge of the language of English. Like, even this sentence itself was so grammatically incorrect. I don't know why that happens. I mean, I know why that happens, but then I don't know how to make it stop. So, yeah. Oh, it would be sweet if you guys name him something. Because if you don't, I will, because he's gonna be with us in a lot more videos. I have a lot of stuffed toys other than him. So you might see different stuffed toys in different videos. So I'm gonna cut this out and I'm gonna record another video and jam all these videos together. Sorry, I didn't mean to show your ass off. Yes. So yeah. See you in the next clipping, which will be right after this. Also, this, and the reason behind it is because my hands are hurting. Hey people. So I'm back. I mean, it's gonna be the same video. So dumb. Okay, anyway, so yeah, where was I? Bear with these weird angles though. Also, this angle suits me better. Yeah, where was I? Yeah. So I was gonna share the story of a friend. So right. So apparently before the whole channel thing started, I met this person through the internet, and she has schizophrenia, and we don't really talk much, but then we have these friendly conversation at times. So apparently something happened, and she had texted me over the channel's Instagram, and since the message did not load, she thought I ignored it on purpose, and then today she texted me apologizing for what she had said. And I don't understand why she apologizing to me, because she is such a sweet person, and I didn't even know what she said, but then I knew this for sure, that she would never say anything that would hurt me in any way. So that happened, and then I went back and checked this channel's account, and I checked what she had said, and that was so you know that was so strong of her to say those things. That was so strong of her to confess those things. And by mistake, because of some technical error, that message was that message never loaded, and she thought I'd left it on scene. So today we had a conversation on that, and she told me in that message how helpless she felt, and she told me how much she hates the fact that the condition that she has is very severe, and she hates to see her parents being so much worried about her. And I had said something to her that I say to you guys every time we are here, and if you have messaged me, I have said this to you even in person, that you know that all of this is gonna end someday, and in a good way, and there has to be and there has to be light at the end of the tunnel, and there is some light at the end of the tunnel, and I know this because I have been walking towards that light. So my point being that no matter how bad it looks right now, it is going to end someday. Because okay, if you're too much into maths and science, even practically, if something starts, it has to have an end. Even probably infinity has an end, we just haven't found it yet. And the whole point of infinity is that we assume that there's something which is endless. But if you think that your misery is endless, how do you know it's misery? The whole point that you know it's misery is because you have seen the good times. And who said that those good times are never going to come back? The whole point of you knowing sadness, you knowing that this is how darkness looks like, is because you have seen the light. Is because you have known to be happy at some point in your life. So if you have been happy once, you can be happy again. So when I said those things to her about things getting better, about her feeling better after some point, she said to me that being a psychology student, I should not give her false hope. And I completely understand how it feels when people keep saying this to you, that it's gonna get over soon, you'll be fine, and all of those things. When people keep hammering you with it, even though they are trying to be subtle with it, that optimism is very annoying. And I know this, and I understand how much it hurts to keep listening to the same crap again and again. But I promise you, you have my word on this, I'm not being fakely optimistic, I'm not being overly optimistic, I'm being very realistic, and I'm being very rational when I say that you're going to have happy days. And I know this because I have been through it. I am going through it. It's not like I have healed. I have not healed. And in fact, and the very fact that I have not healed yet is something that you can trust me for. Like, the very reason that I need this when I talk shows that I am with you. I am like you. I'm not, as I keep saying, I'm not your therapist, I'm not your counselor. I'm one of you. I'm here to make you guys, feel that you are not alone. I'm here to share your stories. You guys are warriors. You guys are people who have been through hell. You have fought with your own mind day and night. And if you have been through it once, twice, thrice, you can make it again. You're gonna be okay. The only difference is this time you won't have to do it alone. I'm here, and we are all here with each other, and that's the whole point of this channel, the whole point of this Instagram account and the Discord link and whatever, my email address or whatever, is that we don't have to do this alone anymore. So we're gonna have a lot of these diary videos, and I'm gonna keep sharing these instances as much as I can. I have few more, so for the 2 to 3 days we'll have 2 to 3 consecutive diary entries. And thank you for having the conversation with me today, and I hope when you watch this video you get it more with more clarity, that I was not being I was not giving you fake hopes. I was being very practical and realistic, and I want you to know that you're very, very strong, because as a psychology student, I know how bad schizophrenia is, and I know you're so strong. You inspire me. Every time I feel like giving up, I think of people like you and I keep going. Every time I think that I can't make this video anymore, I think of people like me who need this. So thank you. Take care and see you guys soon. Everyone stay strong. Oh, one second. Boy, boy.